Are you a student looking to make money online but don't know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to make money online as a student. Stick around, let's get started. Hello family, you are welcome to this channel. Here is Twi-tech with Showboytheblogger. Today, if today is your first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button and be part of this family. Okay, and here as a student, we hear how to make money online as a student. As a student, you are a very good when you have some sources where they be provide this amount and small cash be said be am for into one no papa here the sick amount they be send them also. Okay, so in here we have more than eight sources are here but my nyeska every home as a student. Okay, video we mean go into details. So we never remember so no say we are interested just go online with my YouTube, just go and search it. Okay, and then open here you can learn something about it online. Okay, so me head down but I'm just going to give you a stepping stone. I'm going to brush on things. Okay, let's continue. Let's get started. First one is freelancing. Yeah, freelancing. Inside the way month for soon now. Freelancing is just like working as your own boss. Yeah. So what skills which is writing, graphic design, video editing, even social media management. Which my call site which is Fiverr and I say Upwork.com. Okay, so let's go straight to the second one. Second one here, online service and I say micro tax. There was some websites you are after performing some tax on their site. Yeah, site you are affiliate some service be and I say videos and I say about online game. Yeah, so these websites are going to pay you after completing this kind of task. Yeah, site it is time bus, swag bus. Bring a good video I say. So you can visit this site. As I say, at times so more time. Yeah, you can watch videos and answer with my play games or site one. Okay, so we have a third one. Third one here, YouTube and content creation. So you can start a channel just like what I'm doing. Yeah, with my share or skills or experience or knowledge be our. Yeah. So when you 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, YouTube is going to pay you. Okay, you can even go to Facebook. Facebook, you see with my monetize it. So again, yeah, very easy. So bet my in case of fair with my faceless videos, I'll be using AI voiceovers and I say animation. Yeah, very easy. So with my animal. Okay. Okay, so you hear the toss of phone. The toss of phone here affiliate marketing. And so you already say you can earn something by promoting products. Yeah, with Amazon Associates, Jumia affiliate, you can earn commission by sharing links. So if someone buys using your link, you get paid. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, so as a student, better say we grow social media platforms near the other. Yeah, look at the fifth one. Fifth one here, online teaching and courses. Let's say be a winning subject to how we are very good. Even with that one, you can create a YouTube channel. Yeah, with my tutorials near the other. Yeah, you can earn something from there. Very good. Maybe a mass now idea. You can create a YouTube channel. About your formulas near the other. Yeah, very easy. Science is well. Very easy to bring subscribers because the only matter any share that I say you are not going to struggle. Okay, so let's jump straight to the last one. Last one here, blogging and selling digital products. Okay, blogging very difficult, but we are determined. So yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do blogging and earn something from Google AdSense. Yeah, very difficult, but we already saw. But yeah, you can do more research about it, and Google AdSense is going to pay you. Okay. Okay, so which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section. In case you found this video very helpful, just like, subscribe, comment, and share for more contents like this. Okay, I'll be in the comment section to reply to all your messages. Thank you. Bye. I'm out.